What's up, YouTube? Back at you guys with another video. Today we are going to be taking off the wheels on the 1972 Buick LeSabre build. What happened? So over the weekend, didn't feel like recording. I had to hurry up and knock some stuff out and get some stuff done. So I dropped a new transmission in there, guys. I had a lot of trouble, as y'all seen in the previous videos, with that old transmission. So we got a brand new one up under there, and she goes in reverse and drive. So we're super excited about that, and we'll get these tires off and we'll see y'all right after this intro. Peace.
You know I came through. You know I came through. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through. Hey, you know I came through. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through. Hey, you know I came through. Nowadays I cannot lay low. I cannot lay low. Yeah. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through with the hot shit. Talk of the town, I'm the topic. This young is so fly like a cockpit. If I ain't the party, it's not lit. Stop all the talking, I'm popping. But to be honest, this shit is not shocking. I wanna be rich at the moment.
Back one's up. That one ain't up yet. Old school. Yes, sir.
So this one, my grandpa likes old school cars.
We like them old schools too. Make sure it's the right socket. Can't be stripping nothing out. Yes, sir. I one off. Hold on, guys. I did forget one thing in a hurry. Let's set it down on there. Now we can clean up the brakes and stuff. So we're gonna go drop these the rims off and with the new tires. And then while they're doing that, we're gonna go clean up the truck, clean up the Corvette, and then they should be done with the rims. So we'll get all of these off, guys, real quick. All right, guys, we got all the wheels off, and the new tires are a different size. So let that car pass by. So what we're gonna do, we aired them up and they actually doing okay. I thought they all had bubbles in them, but we aired them up, they're doing all right. So we only got one with a broken valve stem, and then we're gonna clean these up real good. All of these are holding the air, looking all right. So these are, where is it at? 275. Yeah, these are 275. The new tires are 295. So we'll get this one. We'll get this one up to the tire shop. We'll probably leave the wheels off for a little bit so we can clean up in here. I might just grab a sandblaster, sandblast all this out. Get it all cleaned up, looking good. Alright, we'll see y'all in a minute. Alright guys, we got the tire dropped off. Man, we had to come up here to Walmart, get the kids some Halloween costumes. So we ain't gonna take y'all in there. We'll just turn y'all back on when we get the tire. Alright guys, we got our rim back. New valve stem in there. And we're gonna get ready to do a deep clean on them. And we got some more work that we're gonna do in there while the wheels are off. So we'll see y'all in the next video. We're getting ready to start in a minute. Peace.